Check out this 2004 Ford Super Duty F250 Lariat. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, driver airbag, driver adjustable lumbar, cruise control, universal garage door opener, power door locks, aluminum wheels, leather seats, and 4-wheel disc brakes. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.